people. Winning people. So are losers. They're both the same. I don't like them both, especially my brother.
What? You can't do that. You're cheating. You're all about winning. You're so a loser. And I love losing. Have you ever saw me get into a temper tantrum just because I lost?
Seriously, he could do better. All he does is just sit around all day, drinking his stupid chocolate protein shake. Seriously. Seriously, what the...
Shush! I'm trying to drink my protein shake. Don't you see that? Seriously, you're gathering all that precious time of yours just to make these stupid videos to go on YouTube.
Yeah, my brother's a troll. Ain't that right, Lamb?